Megan with WTI.
How fun is this dog pool float? If you're a dog lover like me and you like fun pool floats, you'll definitely love this one. It is such a cute float, and honestly, it is great for both adults and children. They can both fit in this pool float in a variety of different ways. This pool float was really easy to inflate, and so far it has stood up well despite jumping on top of it, because you know kids are always rough with pool floats. But honestly, it's just been a real blast to use and really fun in the pool. So if you're looking for a cute little pool float and you're a dog lover like me, then I would definitely give this one a try.
And that's my point of view.